Hi guys, today we'll show you how to manage topics on TikTok. First, unlock your phone and open TikTok. Once TikTok is open, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right side of the screen. Different options will appear, so tap on Settings and Privacy. After opening Settings and Privacy, you'll see different options. Tap on Content Preferences to access your content settings. Tap on Manage Topics. You'll now see different topics that you can adjust according to your preferences. For topics you want to see more often, move the slider toward the right. If you want to see less content from a topic, move the slider toward the left. Once you've adjusted all the topics according to your preferences, tap Save at the top right side of the screen. And that's how you can manage your topics on TikTok. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more TikTok tutorials.